Hi all. So welcome to my tutorial. This is my first tutorial on Python. So in this tutorial mainly we'll focus on Python basic concept as well as the advanced concept. So let's first understand what are the software we need to work on the Python programming language. To learn the Python programming language, mainly we need two software, that is Python interpreter, and one is any IDE, integrated development tool. This IDE mainly we use to write the Python code. Okay, so first let's start with the Python interpreter, download and install. So for that, what we have to do is we have to go to https://www.python.org. This is the official website of Python, from where we need to download the Python interpreter. So then we need to go to downloads, and then we need to download the latest version. Okay, so current version is 3.7.2. This is the latest version, so it might change when you see this video. So this is the latest version. Let me download this, and then let's run this. It's downloading. And then this is the page, first page it come up. So if you see in the down, add Python 3.72 path. So actually we need to check this option, so that the environment variable setup will automatically done when we install this Python installer. We don't have to do manually. Usually in the other programming language like Java, or where we need to set the path variable, so we usually do manually. So here in the Python we have the flexibility of avoiding that manual step, and that path setting can be done with the installation step itself. So Python will do all the setup for us. So once that is done, then we need to click on the install now. So let's click on that. Yes, setup is in progress. Sorry for this pop-up. And one more thing, don't bother about 32-bit machine or 64-bit machine. This installer will take care of that. Okay. And one more thing, like um, the Python has different flavors available, like C Python, Ruby Python, and there are many Python flavors available in the market. So with the standard setup or a standard Python interpreter, we normally the C Python will be working on. So C Python is the standard implementation for default installation. Okay. Yeah, it's showing that setup was successful. That's fine. Then no need to do anything on this page. Just click on close, and now the Python interpreter is installed in my system. So the next thing what we have to do is we have to verify all the things are proper or not, the installation is done successful or not. So for that, what we can do is, there are multiple ways that to verify that. So let's do one thing. So let me go to the command prompt, cmd, and then just write python and see if it is recognizing or not. Yeah, if you see here that it's showing like the python 3.7.2, this is the version we have installed. So it's showing that the python is installed properly. Okay, and this is the 3 greater than sign. This is the actual the python shell that prompting us that we can write any python code here. All the python code is valid on this shell prompt, python shell prompt. Okay, so like 2 plus 3, suppose I'm writing 2 plus 3, so it should display 5. Yeah, it's displaying, that means python is installed properly. Okay, so this is one thing. Next thing, if you in your start menu type, just type python and you will see couple of things. The first thing is ideally some of the programs has been installed with the python installation, that is ideally ideally is the python uh, integrated development tool where we can write the python program. So this comes with the python installer, and here we have some manuals and documents. Okay, that we can check and see what are the things are there, but mainly we will be working on we will be using the ideally for python programming. Okay, and the later when we work on the complex program, multi-line code or multiple programs, then we'll use the PyCharm IDE. Okay, so yeah, one more thing. So let me go to command prompt. I will show you couple of more command that is useful for us. So suppose we want to see python version from this prompt, how we can do that? Python, write python space minus capital V. This will display the python version installed in our system. So python 3.7.2. Okay, or we can write python minus minus space minus minus, and then we can write version. This should also work. Let me try again. Let me try again. Python and minus version. I think we are writing some. I'm sorry, I'm writing different. S is not there in the version. Let me write correctly. What should work? Yeah, Python version 3.7.2. That is done. So now, if you write Python, then we will go to the Python shell where we can write the Python code. Suppose 5 plus 10 This is a Python code, it will give 14. Now if suppose from this cell prompt we want to go to our command prompt, then what we have to do is we have to type exit this, or we can type directly control Z, also it will work. Okay, control Z, control Z, ctr plus Z, this will also work. Okay, with your keyboard. So we come back to our command prompt. So yeah, this is how we installed the Python. So we'll write some code in my upcoming tutorial. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.